Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Instagram. Just follow me step by step. We will go to settings as you see and you will enter. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search in this page about the application of Instagram, or you can write it here in this window to search about it. Here in this page you will go to permissions and you will click. Here you will check if all these permissions are allowed, especially here the permission of camera, microphone, notifications, phone, and also here photos and videos, or any permission you want to allow it here. For example, if you want to allow notifications, you will click here on notifications permissions. Then you will click in this sign to turn on. As you see, it's the same thing about camera permissions. Like this, you will click allow only while using the app, or ask every time, anything you want here. Then you will return to this page and you will click on first stop. Here you will click OK. In this page you will click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. Here in this page you will search about the application of Instagram and you will click. And as you see here in this page, you will go to this window. You will find here, if you find the update in this blue sign, you will update your app. But if it's not working with you these steps, then you will go to this sign here of uninstall, and then you will install again your application to fix the problem of glitch on Instagram. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.